Okay, we have a 2025 WAEC number 12 question this time around, and it reads: the 8th term of an AP is 45. Is 46, and the sum of the first 8 term is 200. The 8th term is 46, and the sum of the first 8 term is 200. He asks us, find the first term. The second question is, find the sum of the first 12 terms. So let's get that first. The 8th term is 46. So we know our AP. So 8 term is going to be what? T 8 is what? A plus 7D, which is equal to what? 46. We know our 8th term. T 8 is A plus 7D. T 9 is what? A plus 8D. T 50 is what? A plus 49D. T 50 is A plus 49D. T 100 is what?
A plus 99D.
So we express it in that term. So this is our 8th term. So I can clean this one off. Then they said something that the sum of the first 8 term is 200. We want to write this. I want to say Sn, where n is number of terms. Remember this formula.
N over 2.
Open bracket 2a plus open bracket n minus 1. Now, if this is what we have, where n is what? Remember, sum of the first what? 8. N will be 8. S8 equals to what? 8 over 2 into bracket 2a plus 8 minus 1 and d. So this is going to be 7. So it's going to be 2a plus 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. D. Then this cancel, we have what? 4. Remember, the answer is 200. He said the sum of the first 8 terms is what? 200. Have you seen it? So this is what we are. Let this be equation 1. This is what we are going to have. I just solved it out here using the formula. Now I would like to reduce it by dividing through by 4. By dividing both sides by 4, we are going to have what? This is going to be what? 50 equals what? 2a plus 7d. Now we can bring it here. We have a 2a plus 7d equals what? 50. Equation 2. Can you see it from here?
Yes, sir.
Now this is what we have. We are going to solve. We're going to solve using elimination method. We're going to eliminate what? D. So we are subtracting equation 1. We're subtracting, so multiplying equation 1 by negative so that our D will become negative. Now, negative times this will give us what? A negative. Because 2a was positive before. So if you're using negative times positive is negative. Negative times negative times positive is what? Negative. Negative times positive here goes negative. So now what do we have? What did I do? It was positive before. But if I say 7d, if I said 7d plus 7d to be 14d, that will not eliminate d. So in order to eliminate d, we could also eliminate a by multiplying 2 by 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 2. So now we have 2a, 2a, and we subtract anyone with 2. So but in this case, I want to multiply d to reduce my stress. For those that don't like checking, just do this for. So multiply by negative means that negative times positive will be negative. Negative times positive here will now be what? Negative. Negative times positive here, this value becomes negative. Now, this 7d becomes negative. Positive 7d minus 7d. D has 4. Now we have nothing here. Now, a minus, this becomes minus. Because we multiply this negative by the positive here. A minus 2a. A minus 2a, that's what? Negative a. Understand? A minus 2a, negative a. If you have a case where you have positive, minus 5 plus 7. You have a case like this. Don't worry, when you have a positive and negative case, just bring the two numbers out. Bring the two numbers out. Find the difference. What's the difference between 5 and 7? 2. Then you attach the sign of the bigger number to your answer. Which number is the bigger number? 7. And the sign is positive. So the answer is plus 2. So when you have a positive and negative case, let me pick another one. Let's say minus 15 plus 10. A case like this. What's the difference between 15 and 10?
5.
The difference between 15 and 10 is what? 5. So you ask yourself, what is the sign of the bigger number? Negative. Attach it to your answer. Minus 5. So in a case like this, we want to do that. So we have 1 and negative 2. 1 and negative 2. The difference between 1 and 2 is what? 1. So the sign of the bigger number is negative. So we have a negative A. So we do the same case here. 46 minus 50. We're going to get the what? A negative what? 4. Negative 4. So in this case, minus A equals to negative 4. Divide through by negative 1. A equals to what? 4. Our A is 4 in this case. Okay, we have a question. We have the same question. Continue. Now we are asked to find. We found A. We want to find D from there so that we can answer the B part. Now, knowing that our A is equals to 4, so we can continue saying that 4 plus 7D equals to what? 46. Now, we have our 7D equals to what? 46 minus this 4 becomes here because of negative 4. 7D equals to what? 42. Dividing through by 7, D equals what? 6. Now that we know D is equal to 6, we can find the sum of the first 12 there. So let's have that by the side here. Let's have that by the side. Sn equals to n over 2 bracket 2a plus 2 bracket n minus 1d. Now this is the formula. So where n is 12, S12, S of 12 equals to 12 over, let me see write it. 12 over 2 into bracket 2. What's our A? A is what? 4. 2 into bracket 4 plus n. N is 12. 12 minus 1. Our D is what? 6. So 12 minus 1 is what? 11. 11 times 6. We have this is 8. This cancel here gives us what? 6. Equals to front of 12 there. So this is 66. 66 plus 8 multiplied by what? 6. What is 66 plus 8?
74.
So we have what? 6 times what? 74. So the sum of the first 12 there is nothing but what? 6 times 24 is what?
444.
400 and what? 44. So that's our answer. Thank you and God bless.